In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight your mouse cursor for easier visibility in tutorial videos or presentations. There are two methods I'll demonstrate. The first method is simple and doesn't require any software installation. It involves loading a cursor file into Windows that has a halo around it. The second method offers more control and requires installing a free application called AutoHotkey. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the website mentioned in the video description. This website provides a cursor highlighter tool developed by Professor Luke Boisler. Scroll down to find the cursor highlighter version 2.2 and download it. Before running the cursor highlighter, you'll need to download and install AutoHotkey. After installing AutoHotkey, return to the website and download the awk script, which is an AutoHotkey file created by Luke. Once downloaded, double-click on the cursor highlighter file to launch it. Would need to manually add a halo for each individual icon or load a cursor set with a halo, whereas this software applies it universally, making it easier to implement. To access the cursor highlighter customizations, click on the cursor highlighter icon in the taskbar tray. Right-clicking on the icon reveals a range of settings and quick actions. You can exit the cursor highlighter or access the full set of settings. Within the settings menu, you have various options to customize the highlighting. The color highlight option is available, where the mouse cursor has a highlighted color around it. You can also choose a picture file, allowing you to use a specific image as your cursor highlight, such as a pen icon. Another option is focus, which places the focus around your cursor while graying out everything else. In the highlight settings, you have control over the size of the halo, allowing you to adjust the width and height. You can also set the opacity level, determining how transparent or solid the halo appears. Additionally, you can choose the highlight color according to your preference. The software provides options for click actions as well. You can choose to hide the highlighting when clicking, giving a clear indication to viewers that you're clicking on something. Alternatively, you can make the highlight stand out even more by displaying a different color when clicking. Width, height, opacity, and color adjustments are available for click actions. Picture settings allow you to load any picture you want as the cursor highlight. You can customize the colors and size of the picture cursor. Focus settings also provide options to adjust the size and opacity of the focus highlight. Furthermore, you can set hotkeys to quickly turn on or off the highlighter, picture cursor, or focus. This feature is useful during presentations when you want to emphasize certain elements. For example, you can set a hotkey combination like Ctrl plus Shift plus F7 to toggle the cursor highlighter on and off without opening the app manually. If you prefer not to use hotkeys, you can simply click on the cursor highlighter icon in the taskbar tray to turn the highlighter on or off. Right-clicking on the icon allows you to exit the cursor highlighter and remove the halo effect. In conclusion, this software provides enhanced control and flexibility for highlighting the mouse cursor, offering more options than the native Windows functionality. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for future content. Leave a comment with suggestions for other video topics. Thank you and have a great day.